Hi guys, today we are making a snack that you should really try out. It's very delicious and very easy to make. So yes, welcome back to African Foods with Lily. We are going to get straight into it. We just need only 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you add in half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So you add in a teaspoon of salt in there, and you just need 1 cup of plain yogurt, and also adding like 2 tablespoons of milk. Add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, some lemon zest there, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Guys, this snack is let me just call it a top tier snack. Now you can make it when you are, it's the holiday, when you're preparing something up and you want something to snack on, or just for the sake of snacking as you watch a movie, or as you enjoy, doing what you do. They are so yummy. I'm telling you, they are addictive. So, try them out, and you see, it's very easy to make. So you don't need to add in anything else at this point. You just let it sit for 30 to 1 hour at least. You cover that up. Now I'm using my Ziploc bag. You can use, if you have a paper bag, that is even better. Now you just add that in there. Please follow the steps, because at this point I don't know what to call these things. Yes. So please place your bag in the cup. Yes, and you're going to now open it up properly, nicely, so that you get your dough in there properly. But before you do that, please try to make it oily, so that your dough doesn't stick on the paper. It is going to stick some part, but it will not be as bad if you do not add in a bit of oil. Now our dough is well rested. What we are going to do, we are going to get a spoon, and we add this in the cup. Now we put this in the cup so that we avoid distraction, like messing up everything. So this way we are doing a better job like this. You keep doing this, guys. Please just try this out. And yeah, talk to me, let me know, send me a comment, let me know the snack that you would like to see me try, and let me know which country you are watching from. I get inspiration from all over the world, and thank you guys for your support, for coming through every time. God bless you all. So yes, add in oil in your hot pan, and you do exactly that what I am doing. And by doing this, it's not as hard as it even takes less time. So you keep doing that and cook this on medium-high heat. Remember, if it's on very low heat, it will soak up a lot of oil, and your recipe will kind of oil will get in the way. So just please cook on medium heat, not high heat, because they also burn quickly. So yeah, it doesn't take long actually. This takes like 3 minutes for them to brown, and you remove them. Make sure that they are not too brown, because since they are very thin, you don't want them to be a bit sour. Guys, thank you so much. Try this out and let me know. It's very, very delicious. God bless you. Ciao.